Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful blanket. That's the stitch I use. Maybe it looks a little bit hard to make, but it's not, because it's just one row repeat and the border is single crochet. So even if you're a beginner, you can make it. Just concentrate the pattern and follow it. Okay, and for this one I use this yarn, Cuddle, super chunky yarn from Utopia Crafts. 100 gram is 60 meters. I'm gonna tell you the grammage I used. I used a little bit more than 700 grams of yarn, 730 grams actually, but that's 86 centimeters square, a little bigger than my usual baby blankets. Maybe you can make it for a toddler with this size, or you can make it smaller. It's so easy to adjust. And with the yarn, I use a 12 millimeter crochet hook, and that's all. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can find the link below. It's totally free, and if you are ready, we can start now. Start with a slip knot. For this stitch, you can use any odd number. I'm gonna use 51 for a baby blanket size. If you want to make it bigger, you can add chains as you want, but make it an odd number. 1, 2, 3. Once you complete the chains, you are gonna skip 1, 2 chains, and into this third one we will make a double crochet. Yarn over, insert into this chain, grab the yarn, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's our first double crochet. We will not count these 2 chains as anything. Okay? And for this row, we will only make double crochets. That's the base. And I'm gonna keep making double crochets till the end. In the end, you will have 49 double crochets. I'm making the last one. Chain 1, turn. Starting from this row, we will make front post and back post double crochets. We are gonna make them around this post, so they will not be as long as these double crochets. Okay, so for the first and last stitch, I'm gonna use half double crochets. Yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all. Now I will start with a front post double crochet. Yarn over. Around this second double crochet, we are gonna make a front post, insert in between this first and second post, go out, grab the yarn, pull through, and make your double crochet. Now we will make a back post double crochet, yarn over, this time insert from the back and around this post, give a hook to the back again, grab the yarn, pull through, make the double crochet. We will repeat this. A front post double, a back post double, a front post, a back post. And that's all we are gonna make for all the blanket. That's just one row repeat. I'm gonna keep going, meet you at the end. I'm making the last one a front post double crochet. You are gonna start and complete with a front post double crochet, and into this last stitch I will make a half double crochet. Chain one, turn. Make a half double crochet. As I told you, it's just one row repeat, so you will see a back post double crochet here, then a front post. When you see a back post, you are gonna make a front post. When you see a front post, you're gonna make a back post double crochet. Okay. Start with the front post. Then around this front post, make a back post double crochet. A front post double, a back post double crochet, it looks really beautiful even now. Just complete this row. I'm at the end and there is one more post. Don't miss this, okay? We are gonna complete with a front post. Then make a half double crochet. Chain one, turn, start with a half double crochet. That's a back post, so we are gonna make a front post, then back post. That's all we are gonna repeat, okay? Just keep making this for how many rows, I'm not sure. I'm gonna turn back in a second and give you the measurements. I complete the body. It's 76 centimeters square right now, and we're gonna make a simple border. Chain one, and now I'm gonna put one single crochet into each stitch. insert, grab the yarn, pull through 2. I'll meet you at the corner. I'm at the corner. I'm gonna make one more single crochet and I will have 49 single crochets for one side, this side. In the end of each side, you need to have an odd number. Okay? I put the last one here and that's the corner, so put 2, make 2 chains into same place, put a single crochet. Now turn your work. We have half double crochets here, so for 2 half double crochet rows we are gonna put 3 single crochets. We made the first one into here, this stitch. I'm gonna put the next, and around this post or insert into the post, put one more. Now we have these 2. Around the first one, I'm gonna put 1. Into the stitch, I'm gonna put 1. And around the next, I will put 1 more. Skip this stitch, okay? Around the post, put 1. Into the stitch, put 1. And again, into the post, put 1. Skip here and repeat this till the corner. Now I have 53. I'm gonna put 1 here, 54, and 1 into the chain, 55. Chain 2, and into same place put 1 more single crochet and put 1 single crochet into each chain. Just make here an odd number and the other side too. I'll meet you at the end. I reached to the end and I'm gonna put last one here, chain 1. Instead of chaining 2 and join, I'm gonna make a chain and join with a single crochet. Insert from this first stitch, grab the yarn over, pull through 2. And with this way I will directly start from the corner. Chain 1 and put a single crochet into the corner. Then chain 1. Okay, that's our first stitch. We join with a single crochet here. Don't miss this. Don't think this one as a single crochet. That's the chain 1. That's the first stitch. We are gonna skip this one. Insert into the next, put a single, chain 1, skip 1, into the next, a single, chain 1, skip 1, into the next, a single. Repeat this till the corner. I have one last stitch here. I'm gonna skip it into the corner. I'm gonna put a single, chain 2, put 1 more single crochet, then chain 1, skip this first stitch here, into the next, put a single, chain 1, skip 1, into the next, put a single. Repeat this till the end of the row. I'm in the end. I'm gonna skip this into the corner, put a single, chain 1 and join with a single crochet, chain 1 into the corner, put a single, and into this first stitch put a single, into the chain put a single, into the stitch put a single. So for this row we will only make 1 single crochet for each stitch or chain, and for the corners we are gonna put one single, two chains, one single like we did before. Just complete this row to meet you here. I'm at the end. I'm gonna put one last single crochet into the corner. I'm gonna make a chain, insert from this first stitch, join with a slip stitch, then make a chain, cut the yarn, and well done. That's the end of your work, I think. Now we will hide the tail. That's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.